In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account in 2025. This is an updated video. So what you want to do once you're on Facebook, you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will then take you to this menu window. And from here, all you need to do is scroll down and then head to settings and privacy. Click on that and then you will see some options appear. You then want to click on settings. Once you're in settings, you can then go to your Meta Accounts Center, so that will be the first one. And now you're in here, you can then go to personal details. That's going to be the second one under account settings. So once you've clicked on personal details, you can then click on account ownership and control. And that will take you to this window where you can then deactivate or delete your account. So click on deactivation or deletion, then choose the account that you're willing to delete. I'm going to choose John Smith. Then it will open up this window and Facebook will ask you if you want to deactivate your account or delete it. You can read about these and choose which one you want. I'm going to click on delete your Facebook account. This is going to be permanent. So we're going to click on this and then click continue. Now it's going to ask you for a reason. I'm just going to put I no longer find Facebook useful, continue, and then continue one more time. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to deactivate your account instead? Do you want to save your posts and your information? If so, you can go and download any information you want. If you don't, then click continue and it will take you to the next window. Here you are going to then have to enter in your password. And once you've entered in your Facebook password, you can then just click delete account and your account will be deleted. Now, if you do log in within 30 days, your account will be reinstated. But if you don't log in after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you don't know the password, you're going to have to click forgotten password and go through that reset process. Thank you for watching. I hope this quick video helped you out.